everyone. Welcome to Litra Times, your space for inspiration, fun, and everything that is happening right here at Litra Valley School.
I am Sanskar, and along with Samriddhi, we are super excited to launch this journey with a fresh team and loads of creative energy.
This month we have got Diksha and Nabir leading the charge for grade 11th. Yashi working her magic on words on the editorial side, and Lakshya who's capturing every moment through his lenses.
Our goal is to keep you updated, inspired, and connected to all the incredible activities going around you. So stick with us because the best of Zita Times is just getting started. And trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming up next.
Hello everyone, I am Diksha Sani.
And I am Mohammad Nabil Siddiqui. We'll be your news anchors for this month's edition of Litra Times.
This May, Litra Valley has unlocked many new achievements. Let's get you up to speed with these. We'll start with the senior wing.
Our school has been offering a wide range of opportunities, including international exposure. Our school has collaborated with schools in Egypt and Nepal.
Let's look up the collaboration with Egypt.
Collaboration with Egypt. On 5th May, the event Talk Over Cookies was held for grade 8 students, focusing on cross-culture understanding through 4 insightful interaction themes ranging from country introductions to energy-saving habits. Students from India and Egypt exchanged ideas, broadened horizons, and learned beyond boundaries.
That was truly insightful. We also had a collaboration with our neighboring country, Nepal.
Save water, save life. On 16 May, a joint session with Mansfield School, Nepal was organized on water conservation. Students from both the schools shared thoughtful reels, posters, and speeches highlighting how truly every drop of water counts. It was an inspiring step towards a sustainable future.
Now, let us move on to the most awaited events of the year, the Scholar Ceremony, the Excellence Awards Ceremony, and the Felicitation Ceremony. These are key milestones in every academic year as they help award and motivate the young achievers.
On 23rd May, Litra Valley honored academic excellence at the Scholar Badge ceremony in the school auditorium. The top 3 rank holders from each class received the scholar badges, while consistent achievers were awarded scholar blazers. Parents of the awardees were invited to celebrate their children's success. The event reflects the school's strong commitment to perseverance and excellence.
Up next, we bring you the Excellence Award Ceremony, an event that celebrates students who have gone above and beyond in fields like sports, music, and other extracurricular activities.
Held on 24th May 2025, the Excellence Awards ceremony was a proud moment for the entire Litra family. The students who excelled in sports, music, or extracurriculars at the various levels were honored for their achievements. The proud smiles, thunderous applause, and heartfelt moments made it a truly memorable celebration of talent and determination.
And speaking of achievements, the felicitation ceremony was another proud moment, celebrating the hard work and dedication of our students in CBSE exams.
Echoes of effort, success redefined. On 23rd May, a special felicitation ceremony celebrated the brilliance of this session's toppers. Rohan Raj from grade 12 topped with 97.4%, while Shruti Singh from grade 10 secured 97.8%. The ceremony included creative performances, good wishes from our esteemed educators, and motivational speeches from our principal and headmistress.
So now, let's move on to some cultural highlights. A special dance event was held for students of grades 6 through 8 by the Society for Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture among Youth, SPICMACE.
On 14th May, The divine elegance of Odissi dance graced our stage through the performance by the legendary Kavita Dwivedi. The students of grades 6 to 8 witnessed a soulful journey through temple traditions, storytelling, and classical rhythms, enriched by live music. It was not just a performance, and rather a cultural and spiritual awakening.
Good morning, ma'am. According to you, what is the most distinctive feature of Odissi that sets us apart from other Indian classical dance forms?
Yes, Odissi first from the state of Odisha, and it is one of the most graceful and lyrical dance form. And as the name suggests, starts with alphabet O. So everything is circular, round, and there is no break. So same way the Odissi dance form is in continuity, there is no break, and it has curves. Like O has, there is no straight line, but it has curves. So that principle it follows in the dance form. And two basic stances such as Choka and Tribhanga, which are the two basic positions on which the footsteps are being done. Again, in that the knees are bent, hands are bent, hands they do bend, and then it becomes also geometrical as well as there are curves in it. So, and then what makes it lyrical is the movement of the torso, which moves in a semicircle. So, like that, there is geometrical patterns as well as the aesthetic beauty and very cultural oriented dancing. And yes, I will say the costume wise it is different because in other dances it's all gold, kundan or pearls, but in Odissi it is all silver jewelry. And then we have two very important aspects of having the costumes is that we have this headgear called Pushpuchura and the belt which is called Bendopatya. These are the two distinct features of the Odissi dance that one can identify it very clearly.
सुप्रभात मैम,
Suprabhat.
क्या आज की युवा पीढ़ी ओडिशी नृत्य में रुचि दिखा रही है? उन्हें प्रशिक्षित करने के दौरान सबसे बड़ी चुनौती क्या होती है?
अभी बहुत अच्छा सवाल है कि आज की युवा पीढ़ी ओडिसी के प्रति उनका कैसा रुझान रहता है और प्रशिक्षण के टाइम में हमें क्या मुश्किलें आती हैं, बिकॉज दोनों ही दौर से मैं गुजर रही हूँ और जब हम अपनी परफॉर्मेंस करते हैं, प्रदर्शन करते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली ऐसा नहीं है कि समझ नहीं आता है, समझ आता है और उसमें जो विषय वस्तु होती है जो हम लोग प्रस्तुतियाँ देते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं उनको समझाते हुए अगर हम करें तो काफ़ी उसका इम्पैक्ट अच्छा रहता है। और ख़ास करके मैं ये देखती हूँ कि जैसे हम स्पीक मेडिक के माध्यम से स्कूल्स में आते हैं तो वहाँ देखते हैं कि जो मॉड्यूल है स्पीक मेडिक के लेक्चर डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन का, कि जहाँ हम लेक्चर देते हैं यानी कि हम समझाते हैं डांस को, बोला जाता है डांस को, फिर जब करा जाता है तो दे वेरी वेल कनेक्ट, और जब कनेक्शन हो जाता है तो उनको आनंद आता है। तो यही है कि हम ये देख रहे हैं कि युवा पीढ़ी ऑफकोर्स आपके पास सब बहुत आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड सब जगह आपको मिल रहे हैं, तरह तरह के आपके लाइंस हो चुके हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमारी जो रूट्स हैं, जो हमारी जड़ें हैं शास्त्रीय नृत्य को लेकर, तो आज भी इंटैक्ट रहेंगे। इतना आसान नहीं उसको भुला पाना, लेकिन हाँ उसको दिशा देना, उसको ठीक तरह से उनको दिग्दर्शन देना बच्चों को, युवा माइंड्स को, यंग माइंड्स को, ये कर्तव्य हमारा है और संस्था जैसे स्पिकमेटिक कर रही है। तो ये दोनों तरफ से होना चाहिए और देखिए उसका रिजल्ट मिलता है। दूसरी बात आपने पूछी प्रशिक्षण का कि ट्रेनिंग में क्या होता है आजकल। ऑफकोर्स टाइम बहुत बदल चुका है, क्योंकि हमने जब अपने गुरु से सीखा था, मेरे पिताजी मेरे गुरु रहे हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहली बात उन्होंने बहुत क्लियर करी थी मुझे कि आप ये मत समझिए कि जब आप सीख रहे हैं तो आप मेरी बेटी हैं तो मैं आपको स्पेशल अटेंशन दूँगा। तो वही मेरा सब प्लेन हो गया और विधिवत जैसे शिक्षा दी जाती है और बच्चों को, उन्हीं के साथ मैंने शिक्षा ग्रहण करी और उतने ही डिसिप्लिन के साथ पूरा जो उसका फॉर्मूला है उसको समझते हुए स्टेप बाय स्टेप, स्लो बाय स्लो हम लोग समझते चले गए एंड देन उसको हमने साधा। तो वो जो साधा हमने, तो आज भी मुझे लगता है कि वो उतना हार्ड ट्रेनिंग रही तो आज हम थोड़ा सस्टेन कर पा रहे हैं। वैसे तो बहुत बड़ा वो विशाल एक गहरा समुद्र है ये, उसमें से शायद मैंने एक छोटा सा ड्रॉप लिया है, लेकिन आज के समय में अगर मैं बात करूं, समय बहुत आगे चल रहा है और समय के अनुसार अब क्या है कि बहुत टाइम बाउंड हो गया है कि 1 घंटे की क्लास तो 1 घंटे की क्लास, और ठीक स्टूडेंट भी देखता है मैम हम 8 बजे आए हैं तो हम 9 बजे जाएंगे, तो ये माइंडसेट पहले से, क्योंकि और भी चीज़ें करनी है, पढ़ाई भी करनी है, आपको जॉब भी करना है, फिर तरह तरीके से और भी कोर्सेज और भी फैशंस में सब लोग जुड़ते हैं। लेकिन हाँ, नृत्य में क्या होता था, जैसे हम लोग टाइम का कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता था, 1 घंटा की क्लास हो गई, 2 घंटे की क्लास हो गई, कभी कभी 3 घंटे हो जाते थे। तो आज वो माहौल तो है नहीं, और हम उम्मीद भी नहीं रख रहे हैं, क्योंकि समय के साथ हमें चलना होगा। तो जो टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात आज के टाइम पे होती है, तो बहुत फोकस्ड है, जो युवा पीढ़ी है फोकस्ड है, लेकिन हाँ थोड़ा बहुत मैं देखती हूँ पेशेंस नहीं है। सो पेशेंस की कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कमी हो रही है, बस जल्दीबाजी, हमें स्टेज पर आना है, हमें परफॉर्मेंस करना है। ये ऐसी विद्या है कि इट्स नॉट अ फास्ट फूड एट ऑल, ये बस तुरंत तैयार हुआ, हमने खाया और उसका स्वाद हमने नहीं, ये रहते रहते इसका जो रस है, इसमें जो भाव है, उसको जो गहराई है, ये धीरे धीरे उम्र के साथ भी इसको आप इसका आनंद लेते हैं। हाँ, टाइम लगता है ज़रूर, लेकिन अगर आपको समझ आ गया तो इसका आनंद ही कुछ और है। तो ये मैं थोड़ा चाहूँगी कि पेशेंस का थोड़ी सी कमी हो रही है, समय का कम है, पढ़ाई का भी बहुत जोर है, एग्ज़ाम्स के आजकल एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम वगैरह सब होते हैं, बट जो करने वाले बच्चे होते हैं ना, तो उनमें से शायद 100 में से शायद 1 या 2 ही निकलते हैं जो इसको बड़ी बराबरी के साथ उसको मैनेज करते हुए चलते हैं। इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू ऑल्सो, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, आप कैसे इसको निभा पाते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप में चाह है, पैशन है, सो आई थिंक यू विल ऑलवेज गेट इट, आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल मिलेगा, लेकिन थोड़ा धैर्य के साथ इसको सीखना पड़ता है। शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure to interact with you.
That was such a mesmerizing experience.
There have been many student-led initiatives going on around the school campus.
In light of this, let's have a look at the student initiatives that took place this May.
First up, our students gave basic English and etiquette classes to our hardworking staff members under the Guidance Club.
The Guidance Club, a student-led initiative, organized basic English classes for helping staff to boost their confidence and communication skill. It is a beautiful example of using knowledge for service and creating a supportive school environment.
A special shout out goes to Arnik Mrinal and Pratyush Lochan of Class 10G for their exemplary contributions and innovative thinking. Let's ask these talented students about their wonderful ideas.
Do you think this competition will be helpful for future entrepreneurs?
Yes, definitely, because the event is structured in a very specific way. All the rounds focuses on the problem identification skills, the problem solving skills, and the marketing skills. Also, the second round focuses on how you pitch the idea. So I think it will definitely help all the students in their entrepreneurship journey. Yes, I also think it's gonna definitely help future entrepreneurs because it helps them gain practical knowledge about life. It helps them enhance problem solving and skill solving skills, and it helps them embrace their interaction with judges. Thank you.
Nabil, now that we've completed our cultural highlights, let's move on to the sports highlights of the school.
Absolutely. Let's have a look at our swimming team and their latest accomplishments.
On 30th April 2025, the champions of Littra Valley School shone brightly in swimming competition held by GD Goenka School. Our prestigious school ranked first in girls category and second in boys category, where in total 7 schools participated. The talented swimmer brought home an impressive tally of 4 golds, 2 silvers and 2 bronze medals. The girls team was rocking with an impressive performance.
Moving on, let's now talk about Khelo India. one of the country's most awaited sports events for the youth.
Anika Sharma for swimming and Anushka for basketball have shown unwavering dedication and perseverance.
What was your favorite moment in the Khelo India swimming tournament?
My favorite moment in the Khelo India swimming tournament was when I was standing on the podium. I felt many emotions, and one was joy, pride. The pride was that from why I was representing Bihar, and the only thing that was in my mind is to complete the 50 meters in time and give my best in it.
Our students also shone at various inter-school competitions.
Yes, one of the key highlights was the recent inter-school chess tournament.
Silent moves,
Loud Minds, an inter-school chess tournament which was held at DPS Patna East on 15th and 16th May. This intense chess competition featured 15 schools. Our students made us proud by winning top positions across all categories. With a total score of 32.5 in girls category and 36.5 in boys category, Litra Valley School won the overall championship trophy.
We also had amazing results in inter-school table tennis competition.
The Inter-School Table Tennis Tournament 2025 was held in Patna from May 16 to 18. Litra Valley School emerged as one of the top performers. Our junior team secured the first prize and our senior boys team secured the second prize. Our girls team secured the third prize.
Our little ones had a month full of learning and joy. They took part in several enriching events.
yes. So let's have a look at the junior wing activities. First up, they had a cross-border collaboration with Nepal in making a poster competition.
Together for a While Tomorrow. Students of grade 3 to 5 participated in a poster making event in collaboration with Manaslu School, Nepal. Focused on endangered species and biodiversity exploitation. The activity encouraged creativity and environmental responsibility.
Moving on, our young scholars had a quiz on biodiversity.
A fun and educational quiz was held on biodiversity exploitation on 11th of May for grades 3 to 5. It helped the students become more aware of their environment while making learning fun through the competition.
And of course, we can't forget the special person in our lives, our mother.
Ammi, Mama, Mom, Avva, we call her by many names, and each time it feels like a sweet melody. To celebrate our mothers, we had a heartfelt assembly on Mother's Day.
On 10th May, our young learners from grade 3 to 5 celebrated Mother's Day through heart-touching performances and act of gratitude. It was a moving tribute to the love and strength of every mother.
Now, let's talk about another academic and co-curricular event for juniors, the Spellbee.
Spellbound at Litra. The Spellbee juniors lit up the campus on 14th May Wednesday. Students from grade 3 to 5 showcased their spelling skills in written and oral rounds. Peer correction added fun to the challenge, making learning more collaborative. Finalists displayed their confidence, clarity, and command over language. Each class crowned its very own spelling star with a special badge, an event that celebrated vocabulary, wit, and young talents at the brightest.
That was all we had for our junior wing. Now, let's move on to another approach by our school.
The LV Sports Academy during summer break for the students below the age of 13.
Litra Valley School proudly presents the LV Sports Club and Sports Academy, initiated by respected chairman Sri Amit Prakash. Here, we blend sports with academics for overall development, more playtime and less screen time. because we believe in sports over screen, nurturing healthy heroes.
And that was all for the month of May.
Brought to you by Litera Times, Grade 11.
And that's a wrap on the very second edition of Litera Times. This May we began something full of creativity, ideas and fun. And trust us, there's a lot more coming.
It's time for our summer vacation and we'll be back soon in July. Thank you for watching us and supporting us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll get to you soon.
Till then, keep reading, keep dreaming and stay curious.